day 12.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. Lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing for AMARA, and I will tell you a little bit more of what AMARA is so that you guys can know more about it and you'll be able to purchase from them as well. This is a UK based company in Essex, and as you can see they are having a 50% off sale right now. I'm going to go ahead and type in the Angelina Duvet cover set so that you guys can see exactly what I ordered and how much it cost. As you can see, the pricing is in UK pricing, but you can switch it over to US. And the size that I actually got was the double. As you guys know, double is the same thing as queen in the UK. This price was $85.25 for the actually duvet cover. As you guys can see, the Kylie Minogue at home pillowcases, as well as the throw are here as well. The throw was $127.25 and the pillowcases were $18.75. So as you can see, the prices are severely marked down because of the Christmas holiday sale. Okay guys, so this is a big box of stuff that I ordered. Remember I told you, I think it was in Vlogmas Day 3, that I was redoing my whole bedroom. So as you can see, like I have like the gray, black, pink, and white right now. I'm gonna do something a little bit different. So this is just one of the pieces, and once everything gets here I will like do like a whole haul of everything. But I did want to do AMARA separately because I feel like it is so gorgeous. When I found it, that all of the girly girls that love or watch my channel would be really interested in this product and would love it. So I will tell you guys about the shipping. The shipping came super fast. This is a London company, so I'm imagining it has to clear customs and everything really quickly in order for it to come in less than, I think the time I ordered, it took about a week for me to actually receive this. So, and it is, I think I ordered 3 pieces, I'm not sure, but the total price that I spent was $250. It was free shipping because they had like a deal of spending a certain amount of money and you would get free shipping because of the holidays. So yeah, I had a really good experience with them. When I ordered, it was just like ordering from an American company. All of my information came right away and there were literally no problems with anything. And it looks like they've packed this box really well. Like, it's just so pretty. Like, even their promo card looks really good. I know my lights are bright, so it's probably hard to see, but yeah, it's really nice. Like, everything is really well made, really well just laid out. So I do love that. The first thing you can see is it comes with this like light yellow colored, and it looks kind of off-white on camera, but this is a light yellow color. Maybe if I put a little closer you guys can see. But yeah, so it comes with this, and it has like this bubble wrapping too as well. So what I actually ordered was this like sequin set. It is the comforter, the pillows, and for the pillows I actually have to go to like Michael's and buy some inserts because, you know, as you know, with nice expensive bedding, it doesn't come all poofed out like these, like the ones you can get from Target or at home or Home Goods or any of those places, which those are really nice. But I love these because, think about it, like if the inside of your pillow gets messed up, you can always buy a new pillow. So I love that idea. It's so well made. I don't want to take it all the way out. You guys will see it when I do my whole room renovation. You will see like how it looks on the bed and everything like that. So all spread out, but I will show you the picture of what it looks like on the bed like right now. I'll put that picture up. And yeah, let me put this closer so that you guys can actually see the fabric. Like, do you see that detail? Like, this fabric is really nice, really posh. So I love that. And this is the comforter. This is the throw. And it also is the same fabric that I showed you previously. I will insert the picture of what the throw looks like. And then it comes with these pillows as well. I ordered these as well. So it's all the same print. I will be doing a part 2 of this with my room redone because, like I told you guys earlier, I'm getting my room repainted. I'm getting a new chandelier put in, a new desk, a new chair, new bookcase, like literally rehauling my whole room. So I'm super excited about that, guys. But yeah, that's AMARA, and again, I hope you guys enjoyed this short review for Vlogmas Day 12. I'm super pumped to finish Vlogmas. This has been very fun, and I hope you guys are superbly enjoying the videos. It is definitely taking me a lot of work because I work full-time and doing this as well. Hope you guys have loved some of the like chit-chats and get ready with me's that I've done and those type of things. I will link everything down in the description box below because I know a lot of people are going to be very interested in this type of bedding because this type of bedding is really hard to come by in America. So the fact that I was able to find it in London and get it so quickly, I know that you guys would be highly interested as well. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in Vlogmas Day 13. Oh my god. Bye.